Salamat sa pag-aalaga sa mga staff at volunteer at interns, bossing. Salamat sa pagiging kalmado mo, bossing.
Salamat sa pagiging masipag.
Bossing, maraming salamat din po sa pagiging mabait at supportive sa amin.
The thing that I love about Kuya John is being generous at napakabait na tao na nakilala ko. Maraming salamat Kuya John dahil andiyan ka palagi para sa mga kabataan na katulad ko, mga gusto makapag-aral. Sana marami pa kayong matulungan Kuya John. Maraming salamat.
Nagpapasalamat kami kasi you're the best boss for us. Hindi ka man lahing Pilipino, pero sa puso't isip mo is Pilipinong-Pilipino ka. So, yun po yung nagustuhan namin sa inyo. Isa sa mga nagustuhan namin sa inyo. Super bait ninyo. At napakamatulungin.
Isa sa mga katangian mo na hinahangaan ko sa'yo is yung very supportive mong katrabaho. Mapagmahal sa kapwa and isa kang pagpapala sa aming mga kapwa mo na natutulungan mo. And isa pa sa mga hinahangaan ko sa iyo din yung mapagmahal mong partner kay Ma'am Jam and mapagmahal na ama.
Thank you for being the most supportive leader we could ever ask for. Thank you for always being there to support us, especially in honing our talents and skills. And thank you so much for having so much patience with us. You're really the balance that the team needs.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa pagiging mabait mong boss sa amin and ikaw po yung boss na tahimik lang and nagmamasid lang sa amin and luwag mo po sa amin pero ikaw din po yung boss na talagang gagabayan kami to do our best. And salamat po kasi kakaiba talaga yung leadership mo and sobrang gusto ko po talaga yung leadership mo.
Thank you for being so kind to us, for being so generous, and truly you're a leader na we really look up to. Thank you for sharing with us your passion, your heart in serving people, and especially Lord Jesus Christ.
What I love about Boss John Coffee. Honestly, there are so many things to admire about you beyond just your good looks. What I really appreciate the most is your genuine passion and kindness. From the start kasi ng mission mo dito sa Pilipinas to your current role as a CEO of ID Tender, your dedication and love for what you do are evident. Not only in your work, but also in your personal life. Your true character shines through. You are incredibly kind to everyone, your family and us, your staff. We have witnessed firsthand the care and support. Alam naman ng lahat yan, how you support everybody, especially tender staff.
Boss, dalawang bagay talagang gustong-gusto ko sa iyo. Yung pagiging mabait mong boss at saka yung pagiging pagiging understanding mo sa lahat. And may bonus. Hindi ka madaling magalit.
Hi, hello. Two things we like about John. For me, as a friend, he's open-minded. He's always open for change. He's always listening to you. So that's a good quality of a friend. He's always open-minded.
Second, as a leader, we love that he leads us with his quiet strength. He does not boss you around. Instead, he brings out the best.
Thank you for being a genuine person.
Something I like about John is that he makes more time to others. Marami akong gusto mag-busy dyan, pero isa yun.
Thank you for being our kuya.
Thank you for being my kuya, especially while I was growing up. I wouldn't be who I am today if it wasn't for your influence. Scott Pilgrim became one of my favorite movies the moment you showed it to me and Josiah.
One of the things that we love about you is how easy it is to be around you and how fun it is to talk to you. We're looking forward to spending more time with you.
And we're looking forward to calling you our name.
So what do we love about John? Well, John has been my best friend forever. And there's a good reason for that. He's an amazing person. He loves everyone and everything, and you can just see it like shining through just who he is at his soul as like a core. John, you're amazing. You're my best friend, and I miss you all the time. But you're doing amazing things, and that's just who you are because you're such an amazing person.
I love your loyalty to friends, old and new, and I love your compassion for everyone, just like Mike said. The light of Jesus shines through you, bud, and we are so grateful to have you in our lives, even though you're far away.
Thank you for being so thoughtful to us, Kuya John. Thank you!
I love Kuya John because he's like a real brother to me. Palagi niyang sinasabi yung mga encouragement sa akin. And since now, he's like a real big brother to me. Kasi maraming encouragement ang patuloy niyang binibigay sa akin. At sobrang thoughtful niya, kagaya ng sinabi ng aking asawa. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin nagbabago yung treatment niya sa amin. At ganun din naman kami sa kanya. That's why we love him. Maraming salamat Kuya John sa lahat, and we love you.
One thing that I really love about you, John, is you really a very good friend. You're always there when I need someone to talk to. And na-appreciate ko those wise advices from you. Na-appreciate ko kung gaano ka katalinong tao, at napaka-supportive na tao. I like being you as a good friend. Talagang napaka-sincere at totoo. You're really a good friend. How about you, Mahal? One thing that you really love about John?
Sige. Ang na-appreciate ko kay John, simula nung na-meet ko siya, ang nakikita ko talaga sa kanya is yung laging, yung pagkakaroon ng pagpapakumbaba, yung humble heart, yun yung nakita ko talaga sa kanya. And kahit gaano ka lumipas yung taon, yung John na nakilala ko noon, hanggang ngayon, yun pa rin yung nakikita ko sa kanya. So, yun yung isa na hinahangaan ko kay John.
When I got the message to do a video, I was like, yes. I was like, let me think about the things that I admire and appreciate about you, John. I really love and appreciate how you lead the team, how you lead your family, how you're a great friend and you are a great listener. I really admire the way that you are a dad to Jenny and Ali, and how much they love you and how they can play with you as well as come to you and chat with you. I've really appreciated being a friend. I mean, kind of trying to think about how the journey that we connected in the first place and coming to the Philippines and all the way in 2013. Wow, what a journey. That's over 10 years now. And I really appreciate our friendship and the journey that we've been on together. And I absolutely love that I got to spend time with you guys this year. It felt like such a treat and such a pleasure.
I appreciate your friendship so much. You have been always a wonderful person to speak to. You're so non-judgmental and you're just a funny guy, and I miss hanging out with you.
And we just want to say how much we love your sense of humor and how much we love just being able to hang out, chill out, and have lots of fun together.
One of the things I admire most about you is the fact that you're a true humanitarian, that you're following your calling, which you do not see as selfless. You're so smart and so hardworking, and I know you could have chosen a very different path for yourself. And despite your many successes, you remain very, very humble and unaware of just how great you are. You have my admiration and respect, John, plus the fact you're very handsome, which really makes me very jealous.
I just want to say that I am so thankful to you kasi you have been such a good brother to me. So, sobrang thank you sa lahat ng mga nagawa mo sa amin, to our family, and thank you for being a good husband kay Ate Jam, and a good father and a provider to my beautiful nieces, to Ali and Jenny. And I hope that God will continue to bless you more in every aspects of your life.
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga naitulong mo sa amin at sa pagiging mabuting ama mo sa aking mga apo at sa aking anak. At kitang-kita ko talaga kung paano ka magmahal sa kanila. Para bang walang katulad. Sobrang nakaka-touch talaga. Kaya nga habang pinagmamasdan kita kung anong ginagawa mo sa pamilya mo, sobrang nakaka-inspire.
Things that we love about Kuya John is he's so nice. Hello. And he is so genuine. And he loves children.
We love how kind you are.
And how easy you are to talk to, and that you're always willing to listen.
One of the things I appreciate the most about you is how kind and caring you are, always putting your friends and your family first and spending lots of time with other people. You always have time for a phone call or a message from Mark or myself and Mom and Dad.
Sorry, Aaron said I have to smile more. I look too serious all the time, so I'm just trying to present the goofy side. John, we wish you a happy 40th birthday. We just really appreciate you for who you are, for the passion that you have to live out your calling. And I gotta admit, I'm a little jealous you could still fit into your wedding suit, and I can't.
What do I love about John? Well, Jam suggested I mention a couple things that I love about John. So here we go. First, you've always been there for me. I call you when I wake up, I call you at night, and you're always willing to give me your time. Whether or not that's chatting about sports, podcasts, movies, or TV shows, or simply listening to me vent about work or life. You've always been there for me, Jono. I love you. Second, you're a great husband and father. You treat Jam with so much respect and love. She's one lucky woman. However, you're one lucky man to have such a beautiful, loving, caring wife who's also a great mother. Your kids adore you and you know it. You're very patient and gentle with your two little angels, Ali and Jenny. I also admire how you treat the people in your life and look forward to the day I can see you all again.
John, we appreciate so many things about you, but one is that you're kind and gentle. We see it in the way that you treat your wife and your family, and the way you treat the rest of our family and your friends. We all appreciate you for that.
And we also appreciate your leadership ability. You seem to be able to remain calm even when things are going crazy around you. And we know that you are paddling like crazy underneath and staying calm on the surface.
Jenny, can you tell me one thing that you love about your daddy?
Airplane and helicopter.
What is airplane and helicopter? Can you explain?
So this is a game.
It's a game?
It's a game and it flies.
Also, your daddy carries you?
Yes.
Oh, so that's what you love about daddy?
He carries me.
Oh. Okay, Ali, can you tell me what do you love the most about daddy?
His kindness.
Why?
Because he's nice to me.
He accepts me and never judge me. And he's a wonderful dad too. Actually, marami pang bagay na gusto ko sa'yo or love ko sa'yo. But if there's one thing, yun ay, you love us unconditionally.
Should we call him Burrito John? Happy birthday, Burrito John.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, John!
Bossy! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Juan Cafe!
Happy birthday, Ninong John. Happy birthday, Ninong John. Happy birthday, Ninong John. Happy birthday, Ninong John. I love you. God bless Ninong John.
Po, Kuya Jan. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jono. Happy birthday to you and many more.
Happy
40th birthday, John.
Hey, John. Happy 40th birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle John.
Happy birthday, John.
Hi, Kuya John. Happy birthday.
Hi, Jan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Ninong.
Woo! Happy birthday, John. Hi, John. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kuya John!
Happiest birthday to the sweetest husband in the world. You deserve so much love and happiness every day, babe. But most especially on this day because it's your special day. I am so thankful that you were put into this earth and into my life, Nax. And thank you for your unconditional love for me and your children. Thank you for everything that you do for us. We wish you good health and more birthdays to come to celebrate together. And may the Lord grant all the desires of your heart because you're such a good person, babe. We love you so much, babe, and know that we're always here for you to support you no matter what. We love you so much, babe, and enjoy your day. Mwah. Love you.